अभी अभी मेरे को सूचना है किसी एक महान व्यक्तित्व का, वो आपके लिए एक मैसेज लेके आए हैं। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं अपनी टीम से, उनको प्लीज कैमरे पे लेके आए। ध्यान से इनके मैसेज को सुनिएगा। आप सभी के लिए बहुत दूर से इन्होंने ये मैसेज भेजा है, हमारे साथ हैं।
Good morning, DXN. Good morning, India. First, even though I'm not physically present with you, my heart is fully with you because India has become very close to me. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, I am not traveling this time. But do not worry. I will come to India very soon. India is like my second home, and I always feel peaceful and happy whenever I come to this land. As DXN India celebrates its 25th anniversary, I want to express my deepest gratitude. For 25 years, you have worked with sincerity. For 25 years, you have supported DXN with loyalty. For 25 years, you have helped millions of people with good health and good opportunity. For Professor Osopal and Dr. Ratna and many other DXN leaders, I offer my special thanks. From the early day until today, your leadership, your discipline, and your commitment have made DXN India stronger and stronger. Many years ago, I made this statement: DXN is India. India is DXN. At the time, some people were surprised that I always believe in India. I believe in the people. I believe in the potential. And today, you can see that this belief has become reality. India has the largest DXN factory in the world. India will become the manufacturing hub of DXN. India is the management center guiding and supporting all the countries. India is the Sunya center teaching balance and calmness to the world. India is the leadership center because more than half of the DXN network globally has roots in India. This is not magic. This is hard work. This is discipline. This is unity. Today, India has become a self-sustainable operation. This is something very few countries in the world can achieve. And now, I want all leaders to learn from this. Just like DXN India is self-sustainable, your business should also become self-sustainable. A stable business, a consistent business, a long-lasting business that you can survive any challenge. Today, the whole world look at India with respect. I want you to spread your wings. I want you to go to new countries. I want you to build networks outside India. Just like Professor Osopal, who is now contributing from Dubai, you too can live anywhere, travel anywhere, and build globally. DXN today is not just a marketing company. It is a real company with real farms, real factories, real R&D, and real achievements. You have always believed in one world, one market, and now it is time for India leaders to take this message everywhere. In India, we have taken many major decisions together, and every step you stood with me and trusted the vision, and you helped me realize the true potential of DXN India. There's one more great achievement we must accomplish together. India should become the top earning country in entire DXN world. We have already created the infrastructure for you. The largest factory, the best management team, strong logistics, and stable leadership. Now it's your turn to use this strong foundation to break every record inside India and outside India. I am very confident about India leaders. Once you start exploring other countries, once you become spreading your wings globally, you will build a strong, powerful, and long-lasting network across the world. You have discipline, you have the commitment, and you have the determination. All this quality will make you number one. For the last 25 years, you stood with DXN. You faced challenges with courage. You built success with humility. And you touched life with compassion. As we enter the next 25 years, let us work with even more unity. Let us spread good health to every corner of the world. Let us build prosperity for every family connected with DXN. And above all, let us continue to journey with honesty, sincerity, and simplicity, the true spirit of DXN. Once again, congratulations on 25 wonderful years. See you again very soon. Bye-bye.
एक जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। दोस्तों, मैं उनकी पूरे मैसेज को बड़े सिंप्लीफाई 2 लाइन में समझाता हूं आपको। बिकॉज दातुक लगातार ट्रैवल कर रहे थे पूरी दुनिया में, एक्सट्रीम थकाव के कारण और कुछ अनअवॉइडेबल सर्कमस्टांसेस थे, वो नहीं ट्रैवल कर पाए लास्ट मिनट में, बट उन्होंने वादा किया है वो बहुत जल्द हमारे साथ हमारे सामने आएंगे। तो एक जोरदार ताली इसके लिए। दूसरा उन्होंने मैसेज दिया है कि इंडिया उनके दिल के बहुत करीब है, वो बहुत प्यार करते हैं, वो हमारे प्यार और समर्पण से भी बहुत प्रभावित हैं, हमारे डिसिप्लिन से बहुत प्रभावित हैं, हिंदुस्तान के विकास से बहुत प्रभावित हैं, और वो खुद भी कई बार बोलते हैं कि मेरा दिमाग एक इंडियन दिमाग है मलेशियन बॉडी के अंदर। तो ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। उनका कहना है कि आप सबों को बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपकी 25वीं एनिवर्सरी, आपकी सिल्वर जुबली। उनका कहना है कि अब मैंने आपको बेस्ट फैक्ट्री दे दिया, बेस्ट मैनेजमेंट दे दिया, बेस्ट सेटअप दे दिया। अपने दिमाग को जब आप थक जाएं तो रीसेट करने का बटन भी दे दिया सुनिया के द्वारा। अब जिस चीज की प्रतीक्षा है वो है नए कीर्तिमान स्थापित करना, दुनिया में भारत को विश्व विजयी बनाना, और ये सपना वो आपके माध्यम से पूरा करना चाहते हैं। क्या आप तैयार हैं? तैयार हैं? डॉक्टर लिम का सपना पूरा करने के लिए तैयार हैं?
यस।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। बस यही कुछ शब्दों में मैं यहां पे विदा लेना चाहूंगा। डॉक्टर लिम बहुत जल्दी हम लोग के पास आएंगे और हम लोग फिर से उनसे मुखातिब होंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।